can sing everything.
Not that good. But Chico, keep drinking. I sound fabulous. The more you drink, the more fabulous I look too. So 6 hours going to 3 minutes, no problem. Okay. I come from the island of Maui, and there's a beautiful mountain there. That's now used to be the old prison. Now it's homestead. About same thing, yeah. Same room and board. Same smell, yeah. So everything, it's actually named, the guy got its name by a home there, who was, the owner of the home was Mr. Hutchinson, and he used to be a big foreman for the sugarcane mill there. And his home was called Olinda Vista, and it's now called Olinda Valley. One of my favorite songs, and one of my favorite dancers to dance.
That's the key to everything. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Paul. Come women.